How to fix Samsung Smart TV turning on and off repeatedly. Step number 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV, disconnect the TV from the power outlet. Wait 30 seconds. Leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds. Plug back in and turn on. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. This simple reset may resolve temporary power issues. Step number 2. Check for a power supply issue. Inspect the power cable. Ensure the power cable is securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. Try a different outlet. Plug the TV into a different power outlet to rule out issues with the current outlet. Step number 3. Disconnect external devices. Remove all connected devices. Unplug any HDMI devices, USB drives, or other peripherals connected to your TV. Turn on the TV alone. See if the TV stays on without external devices. Sometimes, connected devices can cause the TV to reboot. Step number 4. Turn off the Anynet Plus HDMI-CEC feature. Go to Settings, press Home on your remote, then navigate to Settings, General. Select External Device Manager. Choose External Device Manager. Disable Anynet Plus. Turn off this setting as it sometimes causes power cycling due to HDMI control. Step number 5. Update the TV's firmware. Check for software updates. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update, Update Now. If an update is available, install it. Outdated firmware can cause various issues, including power cycling. Step number 6. Disable sleep and auto power off features. Turn off auto power off. Go to Settings, General, Eco Solution, and disable auto power off. Turn off sleep timer. Go to Settings, General, System Manager, Time, Sleep timer, and set it to off. Step number 7. Factory reset the TV if issues persist. Go to Settings, open Settings and navigate to General. Select Reset. Choose Reset and enter your PIN. Default PIN is 0000. Confirm the reset. The TV will return to factory settings, which may resolve persistent power cycling issues. Step number 8. Contact Samsung support if none of the above steps work. If the TV continues to turn on and off after trying all the troubleshooting steps, it could be hardware issues with the power board or main board. Contact Samsung support for assistance or consider having a professional technician inspect and repair the TV.